Launching an online store in 2025? You don't need to hire a dev, just pick the right website builder. Here are the top 5 platforms powering e-commerce this year. First, Shopify. Still the king of e-commerce, built for selling. Period. Massive app store, powerful inventory tools, great for scaling, from one product to thousands. Next, Wix e-commerce. Simple, visual, drag and drop. Perfect for beginners or creatives. Decent store tools, sleek templates, and it's fast to launch. Third, Squarespace. Aesthetic first, function second, but still solid. Great for stores that need stunning visuals. Fashion, art, beauty. Built-in marketing tools make selling feel seamless. Fourth, BigCommerce. Enterprise-grade power, minus the Shopify lock-in. More built-in features, strong SEO tools, and great if you want to avoid extra plugin costs. And finally, WooCommerce on WordPress. Open source, fully customizable. Perfect if you want full control, own your data, and love tinkering. But it's not plug and play, you'll need a bit of tech comfort. Bottom line, choose based on your goals, not just the design. Whether you're launching a side hustle or scaling a brand, these 5 platforms can get your store live and thriving in 2025.